So guys, we're into the lift now, we're going down to ground zero. I press this, but I'd get into some very trouble. I'll go up to the first floor and press it very quickly. Obviously I caught the button, but I'll worry, we'll get a quick cab view. I can see all the way up to the top of the shaft. Get to see down to the shaft there. That shaft there. Up to the first floor. Let's go. I'm gonna make sure there's no one here first before I press the bell. Ready, guys? Don't work. So at first, guys, it don't work. Let's level in now, guys. You saw it first, but the bell doesn't work. The bell does not work. All I have to do is just go, and it sends to the thing, but I press bell. Press bell. Didn't work. Someone seems to have took paneling off of this again, unless it's fell off. I'll show you to the top of the shaft again. I think there's another floor up there. No, this was top floor, so I think that's to call it up. There's no button to send it up. This. Send it up there. They're on about taking this out soon anyway. But I'm going to let the door shut. Let's get a quick cab view, hang on. It's got a bumper there. 22234, I think that's number for it. Try my best to get there, everything. Capacity 630 8 persons. Doors closing.